My helper and I were headed back to a job from lunch. Half a mile from my turn, I noticed a car in the center lane getting ready to turn. The car acted like I wasn't even there and pushed me off the road and flipped me at 51 miles an hour. You okay?
Yeah. You okay?
As soon as I got out of the car and got a look at my vehicle and his, I was like, well, it's all on camera. I'm William and I'm from Tampa, Florida. One of the things that I really loved about the Nexar cams is that it will start recording automatically. Start and end of any drive that I do, and anytime I hit the brakes hard or there's a high G incident, it will automatically take a clip where that starts. On the scene, I was able to use the Nexar app to pull the clip and show the officer and the state trooper involved that I was 100% not at fault. The whole crash report itself was just super informative so that you knew how many G-force, how fast I was going. The installation of the Nexar dash cam is so easy, tucked all the way in, plugged in, and out of the way. Incredibly comforting to know that no matter what, we're going to be able to find out why it happened, when it happened, how it happened, because it captures everything, inside, outside, and audio.